What's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Rejoicing Demande. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the family, you guys. So today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I straighten my hair from coily to straight. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to wash my hair. I am using this Native Child shampoo and I'm just going to wash my hair because I had cornrows for almost 2 months, so I need my hair to be as clean as possible when I'm about to do the silk press. For deep conditioning, I will be using the Originals Hair Mayonnaise, which is for dry and damaged hair. So I will be using this to treat my hair. So I'm just gonna section my hair into about 4 parts or 5 parts and just make them into twists and keep this conditioner in my hair for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now pretty much the same steps I always do when I do my wash routines is after having washed my hair, I will go in with a leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair. And as always, I am using the Quench and Jackie's Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner to just moisturize my hair. Hair gets very dry, so I need it as moisturized and as soft as possible. Using this conditioner helps because when it's time to detangle my hair feels very soft and I am able to detangle it without any fuss. So now when it comes to heating your hair, I will definitely recommend you use a heat defensive spray or serum. So I will be using this Native Child heat defensive spray for my hair just so I can protect my hair from all the heat that I will be putting it through. So I'm just going to spray the spray adequately around my hair and just to make sure my hair is protected from any major heat damage. So usually when I am about to blow dry my hair, I section it into 2 parts. This makes it easy for me to blow dry it instead of having a full head of afro. I will section it and then I will start blow drying it. And once I have detangled it a bit, then I will start going into smaller sections and then drying each and every single section until my hair is straight. So as you guys are going to see, usually I go in with various combs to detangle and blow dry my hair because one comb won't do the job and I have to use various combs just so I can get the job done, okay? So I'll be going in with my detangling brushes, detangling combs, and also my small tooth combs just so I can blow dry this hair and make it as straight as possible. Now as you can see, I'm not using any professional salon dryer. I'm just using a very simple dryer just to get the job done. So my hair might not be pin straight, but it can get the job done as long as you dry it adequately. And blow drying this hair took me approximately 30 to 45 minutes. Sometimes throughout the blow drying process, my hair can get a bit dry after a while of drying the same section and the other half just gets dry. Then I go in with water just so my hair can be a little bit moist and soft without it breaking when I start blow drying it and going in with a detangling comb. couple of minutes blow drying this hair, I finally managed to get it a bit straight. It's not super straight. I could have done a better job, but this is my first time attempting to even straighten my hair. But this is my hair done and I'm ready to straighten this hair. So I will be using the Selton Ceramic Shine hair straightener that I've had for the longest time. I think I've had the straightener for about 10 years and the straightener has been in the house. I don't know where my mom got it, but I just know the straightener has been there for the longest time. So what I will do first is I'm going to section my hair into very small sections, and I will break in small sections just so I am able to get it at least straight as possible. I'm also going to be using this long-lasting silicone serum, Ultra Shine, just so I can get my hair a little bit shine. This is good for preventing any frizziness for your hair, and also it's good for dry or damaged hair as well. So I will be using a small tooth comb. A brush can also work to straighten your hair as straight as possible, but also having a small tooth comb can get the job done. Now you guys will see that this is my first time, just a disclaimer, this is my first time straightening my hair, my natural hair. I once had relaxed hair and of course I could manage that hair because it was straight. But this is my first time straightening my natural hair, and because this is my first time, you guys will forgive me some of these parts. I'm still trying to get a hang of it while straightening my hair. But as you'll see, I then start getting a hold of what I need to do and how to basically straighten my entire hair. So as you guys have seen, I will straighten my roots the most over my other hair because my roots are where my hair is growing coily. So I will straighten my roots at most before I do the chase method, which is where I take my comb and the straightener and then I follow the comb with the straightener to make sure my hair is straight as possible. And by the way, my straightener was set to the highest heat level just so I can straighten my hair. My hair has never been straightened, so this was my first time. And some of it was a little bit stubborn because it has never really been straightened, neither by a professional, neither by myself. So I had to put it on maximum heat, and that's why I had to use a heat protecting spray just so I can prevent any breakage and any major hair damage. So for the moment we've all been waiting for, I did curl my hair a little bit on the ends and on the sides, but let me just say my hair was not this straight when I straightened it. Therefore, when I was straightening my hair in my room the entire time, it was blazing hot. But nonetheless, this was my first attempt at straightening my hair, you guys, and let me know of the results and give me any advice you have on the comments below on what products I should try for next time I do a silk press, or rather straighten my hair, because this wasn't really silk pressy, but I did get the job done, which was to straighten my hair from the first clip that I showed you, which was the kinky shrinked afro, until I got it this straight. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed it enough, please leave a like and also subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and also leave a comment for me down below on your thoughts, any questions that you might have for me, and also leave any video suggestions that you might want me to try out. And so that is it from me, you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.